suporta sa ALS. See you around!
Daghang salamat sa imong suporta o serbisyo sa SPED, Sir Arman. Amping kanunay and see you around! Salamat sa imong maayong pagpamulong, PTA President. Ang imong serbisyo o dedikasyon na imong inspirasyon kanamong tanan. Daghang salamat o hinaot nga panalanginan ka ng kanunay. Daghang salamat, Sir Arman, sa imong matinul-anong pag-alagad o serbisyo sa Don Juan de la Cruz Central Elementary School. God bless you always. A huge thanks to Mr. Arman Libeles for years of amazing leadership and dedication to Don Juan de la Cruz Central Elementary School family. Your hard work behind the scenes has made our school a better, brighter place for all of our students. We, the grateful teachers, appreciate you more than words can say. We are deeply grateful for everything you've done. Admirable leader and supporter of our school community. Reliable and responsible in every task.
And
Motivating parents to work together. Always willing to serve and help others. Noble-hearted and dedicated to the welfare of everyone. Thank you, Sir Arman, for your valuable service and leadership. We truly appreciate all your efforts and dedication. Hello, Sir Arman. Thank you for your dedicated service and inspiring leadership as our school PTA President. Wishing you all the best in your future endeavors. God bless you from Grade 4 family. Yay! To our outgoing PTA President, Arman Libeles, we extend our heartfelt gratitude for your dedicated service. Farewell with our deepest appreciation, and God will bless you always. Thank you very much, Sir Arman.
bye-bye, sir.
Hello, Sir Arman. Daghan kaayong salamat sa panahon o walay buwas na serbisyo para sa kaayuhan o kalambuan sa mga kabataan sa Don Juan de la Cruz Central Elementary School. Good luck o kayong minalagimpi sa makausapa. Daghan kaayong salamat, Sir Arman.
Hi, Sir Arman Libeles, isip usa ka PTA President sa Don Juan de la Cruz Central Elementary School. Daghan kayong salamat, sir, sa imong aghatag na serbisyo sa Don Juan, sa imong effort, oras o inud-anay na serbisyo. Daghan kayong salamat, sir. Again, may God bless you all and ingat ka palagi, sir. Thank you.